This is going to be so interesting, and you may own a Galaxy Watch 4 or maybe even an older model and you are waiting to upgrade to the Galaxy Watch 5. Well, we know it's going to happen this August, right? It's going to be released in August this year alongside Samsung's new selection of foldables. And so far, everything is just like every year. We just received the confirmation of the wireless charger for the Galaxy Watch 5, and it has received the certification, the necessary certification in South Korea. So look, here is the deal. There are 3 different versions of the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5, including a Pro model, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and apparently it's coming without the bezel. And here is the thing though, look, and from an engineering point of view, I understand that this may be actually happening because any physical moving part on any device is basically a risk, an additional risk of failure. However, when you look at that from a different point of view, like us, the consumer or the customer, not a good decision because the overwhelming majority said, no, we want to keep that bezel. I believe there will be a version with a physical rotating bezel. I don't see this not happening. It may be called differently instead of classic version. And look, as for the Pro model, I can see this not having a bezel because from a logical and engineering point of view, it makes sense. It's made of titanium, it has sapphire glass and so on. It will be the biggest version of the entire Galaxy Watch 5 lineup. When you put a bezel on top, it will make it even bigger. And then on top of that, you have that increase in battery life, apparently by 60%. So you have a bigger version of everything. And I can see this having no bezel. Hang on though, before you go, there is one important part because many people disregard the software/operating system on the Galaxy Watch 4 or in fact on any device. All the reviews, everybody looks at the hardware specs, but not at the software. And we have just seen this, right, with the Galaxy Watch 4. Look, how many people have complained after installing the Google Assistant that the battery life has halved or even worse. And all of this is very simple. The culprit basically is the always listening feature of Hey Google, because when this is turned on, your battery life will suffer big time. As soon as you turn this feature off, it will go good. Having said all of this, the most important and the most crucial part for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5 will be the One UI Watch beta program. And Samsung has just enabled this program in selected countries. And look, there's no better way to get feedback from people who are using the beta version of the One UI Watch OS, right? Or maybe even people who are developing apps for the Galaxy Watch full stop. And here Samsung has the opportunity to basically tweak and optimize any deficiency before the Galaxy Watch 5 launch. I'm going to put this into perspective here. There's no point having a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro model bigger, everything is bigger, battery size increase of 60% and so on, if the software has not been optimized with everything that has been engineered for that watch.